Now everybody, this is our aluminum toolbox for the oil can. This is made by a 4mm flat plate of aluminum, and the surface treatment is black powder coating. This is for the 1 bolt and 2 hinges, and it's very easy to open. This powder coated is for inside and outside. Now we put the oil can into this toolbox, and this oil can is about 20 liters. Okay, now put it into this toolbox. It is very convenient for this toolbox to put the oil can into it and close it. Okay, now it's closed. This surface is very beautiful for the black, anti-black color. And this is a hole, and on the back of the toolbox is 4 small holes for the void to set up in the camper.